Hello sweeties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're doing another Fashion Plus wig today, so shout out to Fashion Plus for sending this over. You get 2 wig caps and your 16-inch waterway wig. For the inside construction, you get 2 combs in the top, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps of bleach powder. That's usually enough for a closure size lace. Then I put in my developer until it reaches a shaving cream thick consistency so that it won't seep through the lace and bleach the hair.
When you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off the love, don't know how to behave. Story goes, brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to soak, all my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. when you're close to me.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna wear this hair in a fluffy state like this because I'm really loving it. But I have tweezed hair, so now it's like right in this area and I need to get it combed out. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz it. You're gonna get to see what it looks like damp, and I'm gonna comb it out and then I'll come back in a minute. The hair is dry and these are my final thoughts. So the lace, let's start with the lace. It melted so well. All I did was put a little bit of my foundation on the lace on the inside, and I put some on my tan stocking cap, and I just laid it down from there. It melted so well. I don't have any powder or anything like that in the part around the hairline. It just came out very well. The knots bleached so well. I actually bleached them last night so I could have it ready for today. I wanted to air dry. If you're not letting your hair air dry, you are missing out. It makes the hair feel so incredible. And when I put it on for the video, that was the first time I put it on, it felt damp to touch. It was so soft, and it still feels that way. And that's why I didn't want to put any product in it, because it's just so lightweight. It has a flow to it. It feels refreshing, like against my skin. Just really nice for summertime, and I have absolutely no complaints. I didn't have any like super light hairs in this wig. It just came out very well, and as you can see, all I did was spray it to get some of that shedding out, and it still has like a wet look to it, but it's completely dry, and it just looks very nourished, you know, like it's not dry. Some curly hair can be very dry, but this feels amazing. So I want to thank Fashion Plus for sending this over for us to check out. I want to thank you guys. Love you guys so much. Thank you for viewing and liking my videos. If you are new, please subscribe, like, hit the bell so you know when I'm putting up more affordable content. And I just wanted to say that this one, at this length, this is 16 inches. It's running about $90. It goes all the way up to 24 inches for $130. So I mean, that's still very affordable for, you know, water wave hair. So yes, again, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, stay sweet.